Hi there, it's Tom from Flaneer. I'm just going to give you a quick guide on how to upgrade your machine. So you need to go into the settings on the machine if it's running and turn it off. You can't upgrade a machine while it's still running. So that's just going to take a moment, and then we're going to go into our instances section here in the administration area. If you can't see the administration area, unfortunately, you wouldn't have the permissions needed to upgrade a machine. So while that one's shutting down, I can just go ahead and go into the settings here. It's going to take a moment to load, and we're still waiting for that machine to shut down. So I'm just going to wait for a moment for that to happen. Okay, so I'm back in the settings area for my workstation here, and you can see that the update is no longer grayed out since the machine is finished shutting down properly. So then in my update dialog window that comes up here, I've got 3 machine types I can choose from here on AMD. And then whenever I choose a new machine type, it's going to update this pricing for me to show you what the new cost will be. That will be charged based on the remainder of the month of your subscription. So that's the new monthly price, but you might end up paying less than that if you're already partway through a billing cycle. And then any remaining credit that you have will be used to reduce the prices on your next invoices as well if you downgrade and you end up having more credit left in your account. I can just hit update subscription here. That's all I need to do. Thanks.